Is your headset microphone sounding robotic, distorted, crackly, or you're like talking through a machine? Whether you're using headset for gaming, streaming, online meetings, or voice chats, microphone distortion can make it difficult for others to understand you. So in today's video, we are going to show you several troubleshooting methods to help fix a robotic or distorted headset mic and improve your audio quality. And the first thing you need to do is verify that your headset is connected properly. If you're using a wired headset, unplug it and reconnect it securely. Make sure the connector is fully inserted into the correct audio port. Now for USB headsets, try connecting the headset to a different USB port on your computer. Avoid using USB hubs if possible and connect directly to the device. Now if you are using a wireless headset, ensure the headset is fully charged and the wireless receiver is connected properly. And then you need to check the microphone input levels. This is very important because a microphone volume that is too high can cause clipping and distortion. On Windows, right-click the speaker icon, select the sound settings, open input settings, choose your headset microphone. Lower the input volume slightly and test again. Now try adjusting the level between 70% and 90% and see if the audio quality improves. And then you might want to check the disabling audio enhancements. Audio enhancements can sometimes create robotic or unnatural microphone effects. Now on Windows, open the sound settings, select your microphone, open additional device properties, navigate to the enhancements tab, and I want you to disable all enhancement. And of course, remember to apply all the changes. After disabling enhancements, test the microphone again. And remember to check your internet connection. If others hear the robotic effect during voice calls, gaming, or video meetings, the issue may be related to your network quality rather than the microphone itself. So for you to be able to do that, restart your computer and your router using a wired Ethernet connection, moving closer to your Wi-Fi router, closing bandwidth, heavy downloads and streams. Poor network quality can make your voice sound robotic even when the microphone is working properly. And do not forget to update the audio drivers. Remember, outdated or corrupted audio drivers can lead to microphone issues. On Windows, press the Windows plus X button, open Device Manager, and expand the audio inputs and outputs. Locate your microphone, right-click and select the update driver. You can also visit your headset manufacturer's website and install the drivers available for your model. And finally, you need to test the microphone on another device. To determine whether the issue is caused by your headset or your computer, connect the headset to another device. For example, another PC, laptop, smartphone, gaming console. If the microphone still sounds robotic on multiple devices, the headset itself may be faulty. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to fix a robotic or distorted headset microphone. In most cases, checking your connection, adjusting the microphone levels, updating drivers, or improving your network can quickly resolve the problem. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.